So we've got our screwdriver set here. Now this is a ratchet with a T-handle. It also has 40 pieces and 8 external bits. One good thing about this ratchet T-handle here, of course we got forward and reverse, but you can use it more than just this way. If you want, you can pull these pieces off. You can put, let's say for instance this one, we can go ahead and put it down here. You can use it as a screwdriver if you want to. We do have a magnetic hole right here, so you can magnetize and remagnetize all these little pieces. All you got to do is just put it in there just like that. All these bits right here, these are all extended if you just need a little bit of extra reach. We've got the same sizes down in here too, and they're just a little bit shorter, so you can go ahead and put these in there just like that. And look how easy it is to go ahead and put that in there. Of course, this case is real small, so that way it's really compact. You can go ahead and use these on any small things, such as just in your house, in your car, electronics, bicycles, I mean, you name it. It's got all the pieces you need. It's very handy. I like that it's so portable. I can just keep it in my toolbox until I'm go ahead and I'm ready to use it again. Hope you found this review helpful.